Prepare to be stunned, because Elon Musk and the team at Tesla have done it again. That's right, they've just unveiled their latest creation, and it's nothing short of a game changer. The brand new Tesla electric van is here, and it's already sending shockwaves throughout the entire car industry. With a sleek and modern design that is sure to turn heads, this van is not just a pretty face. It boasts an impressive range, cutting-edge features, and a level of performance that will leave you breathless. In fact, it's so advanced that it's already making traditional gas-guzzling vans look like relics of the past. So buckle up, because in today's video, we're going to deep dive into the world of electric vans and explore every inch of this incredible new Tesla creation. Elon Musk seems to have a ton of ambitious and groundbreaking projects in the works. Now it's official that Tesla will use vans. The usage of electric motors is rising every year as the revolution gathers momentum. Vans and compact passenger vehicles continue to be competitive as pollution restrictions tighten in an attempt to complete last-mile deliveries. Due to an increasing number of metropolitan areas implementing stricter pollution control zones, manufacturers are stepping up their efforts to sell electric cars. Also, as more electric vans hit the market, consumers now have a wider range of alternatives. Electromobiles have gained a lot of attention recently. The decision by President Biden to convert the entire fleet of U.S. government vehicles to electric power will only increase interest in the electric van, which will create a lot of noise. Tesla doesn't want to lose out on the electric van industry as it expands. Several manufacturers have created electric van solutions, including Ford, General Motors, and Rivian. Moreover, Tesla is the largest producer of electric automobiles in the world, having its headquarters in the U.S. Consequently, the business recently said that it will produce an electric vehicle. In addition to its vast list of upcoming cars, Tesla now looks to be working on another vehicle. We get enthusiastic about the new Model S, the revised Model X, the Plaid powertrain, and the anticipated Model 2 while we wait for a rocket fuel-assisted roadster, a semi, and a Cybertruck. Elon Musk said that an electric van would be added to the lineup in addition to those cars that are now in the manufacturing stage. Musk said that Tesla will be producing electric vans in the company's most recent fourth-quarter results when one of the investors brought up the subject. Musk continued by saying that although Tesla will undoubtedly develop electric cars, it is unlikely that it would do so anytime soon. Despite Tesla's claim that it would, the CEO of Tesla notified the public that the development of the electric van and numerous other Tesla projects has been halted due to high cell manufacturing costs. On the results call, Musk said that it is important to take into account the basic limit of battery cell manufacture. He continued by saying that they just cannot produce enough cells, and as a result, they have not been able to speed up the creation of new items. Also, if one is not engaged in manufacturing, it is quite difficult to understand how difficult scaling is. At the conference, Musk said that although creating prototypes is simple, scaling up manufacturing may be challenging. He said that the lack of sufficient battery cells to mass-build new goods, like the Tesla Semi, is the main reason the business hasn't hurried to create them. Also, Tesla does not now sell electric vans or other vehicles. But according to him, the only thing stopping them is a scarcity of batteries. Tesla semi-trucks might be produced right away, but Tesla won't have enough cells to produce them. As we can see, the key challenges for Tesla are the size and density requirements for many upcoming projects, especially those like the Tesla Semi and Cybertruck that need more battery cells than a typical car. Tesla is already making all the required preparations to increase battery cell manufacturing so that the much-anticipated list of automobiles Tesla will be producing can start. The carmaker also said that it is collaborating with Panasonic and LG, two of its battery partners, as well as setting up its battery manufacturing plant to improve the supply of battery cells. Musk said that the business produces its battery cells as part of its attempts to alleviate a scarcity of batteries on the market. Musk also said that Tesla was producing its products to hasten expansion. It has made it obvious to its suppliers that they must manufacture the greatest number of batteries for the business. One of the most costly components of the car, the batteries, had been one of Musk's long-term research priorities. In addition, he has tried to provide incentives that would strengthen the battery supply chain. On Tesla's Battery Day in 2020, Musk disclosed many measures the company has taken to assure speedier and less expensive battery manufacture. He said that the business will create a tablet battery to replace the traditional battery, which utilizes cobalt, an extremely expensive material, in addition to putting up its lithium-ion mine instead of utilizing standard lithium-ion. This adds to the high cost and delayed manufacture of electric automobiles. Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate technology will enable the business to keep producing batteries while alleviating the current battery cell scarcity. These businesses will be able to store 6 times as much energy as a typical battery. They claim that compared to conventional batteries, Tesla's new tablet batteries will have 370 fewer components, making them simpler, quicker, and more resource efficient to produce. Also, it is anticipated that Tesla will double the output of its 4680 cell Fremont pilot facility this year to meet its 2022 target of 100 gigawatts per hour. The business has enough faith in its 4680 design, manufacturing procedure, and machinery to start building manufacturing facilities and equipment. Tesla should be able to get beyond the lack of batteries, which is a significant barrier to creating an electric van, thanks to the new battery technology. For a long time, Musk has thought about building an electric van or minibus. The CEO of Tesla tweeted in 2018 that the company was thinking about collaborating with Mercedes on the latter's well-known Sprinter van. The project, however, was never completed. Moreover, Musk mentioned 2 other market categories that Tesla wants to electrify in 2016 as part of its master plan too: heavy-duty vehicles and densely populated cities. Tesla is still in the early phases of development, according to Musk, and it will be ready to debut in 2017. The Tesla Semi was also scheduled to be unveiled that year, but it's clear that neither it nor the heavy-duty vehicle or the high-density urban transportation was made public. In the past, Musk has also mentioned Tesla producing electric minibuses based on the Model X, but that plan also fell through. Also mentioned at one time was Tesla producing an electric vehicle for Musk's Boring Company. It was suggested that this van could accommodate up to 12 passengers and their bags at once, allowing it to transport 1,200 people every day or tens of millions of passengers each year. The tunnel-building business uses Tesla cars for its transportation system, but over time, the Boring Company hasn't provided any further details about its electric van. There have been several prototypes for electric vans and van-like vehicles, demonstrating that Tesla has long planned to make its electric cars, but has fallen short of expectations even with its intentions to construct minibuses. Because businesses like Mercedes, General Motors, Ford, and Rivian have already begun developing their electric cars, the car company could be a little late to the electric van game. A new Sprinter van is presently being developed, and Mercedes said that the car maker intends to launch a completely electric version of the Sprinter in the United States. Moreover, Ford's E-Transit electric cargo van and the electric vehicle manufacturer Rivian gave Amazon a fleet of delivery cars in the previous year. Amazon intends to employ a fleet of 10,000 electric buses for deliveries by 2022. So I find the idea of Tesla vans to be interesting, and it would be awesome to see them on the road in the future, especially in the sphere of e-commerce, where electric vans are particularly needed. Tesla, however, has some other initiatives planned that are more urgent than including electric vehicles in its future endeavors. Tesla is also having trouble with its battery shortage, which is holding it back from advancing the several projects it has now in the works swiftly. Yet given the Tesla van's existing design, we already know that whenever it enters production, it will completely alter the automotive industry. We hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed sharing all the exciting details with you. It's clear that with this new van, Tesla is shaking things up in the car industry once again. The sleek design, impressive range, and cutting-edge features are sure to turn heads and set a new standard for electric vehicles. But what we want to know, what did you think of the new Tesla van? Are you excited about the future of electric vehicles? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest and greatest in the world of technology and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.